What if you could clone yourself and have a virtual version of you that never sleeps, never gets tired, and is always ready to engage? Welcome to the future where AI humans are not just a dream, but a reality. Imagine an AI human that can think, react, and talk in real time, just like you would. This is your chance to leverage AI humans in 2025 and transform your life. AI humans can close your sales, conduct interviews, handle customer support, and run coaching programs effortlessly. You can even rent out your AI humans to companies and charge $19 per hour, turning them into a 24/7 profit machine. No API costs, no monthly fees, no hassle. Just copy and paste one line to embed your AI human anywhere. The world's first AI operator that creates AI humans that talk and interact with any audience, in any language. With one click, upload any knowledge into your AI human and watch it handle any task with zero effort. Feed your AI human with knowledge from PDFs, docs, URLs, websites, books, or anything. Break language barriers and expand your reach globally with flawless accuracy. Turn AI humans into a 24/7 profit machine and save hours of work. Start a profitable business from scratch with human AI in less than 60 seconds. Say goodbye to all the monthly payments forever. If you fail to grab human AI, your competition will, and they will crush you. No other apps, AI models, services, or subscriptions are needed. Human AI is all that you need. Enjoy the world's first app that creates and streams AI humans in any niche whatsoever. No experience needed. Anyone can use AI humans, from beginners to pros. An intuitive dashboard makes creating AI humans a breeze. Doesn't matter what you are doing, human AI will transform your life. Once we reach our limit, we will take human AI down. A free commercial license is included with your copy, so you can enjoy all the profit with no worries. No experience, skills, or learning needed. Human AI works for anyone. No risk for you with our 30 days money-back guarantee. Get human AI now and create, clone, and stream real-time AI that works and connects. The terrifying age of AI has just begun. Creating AI humans is no longer something out of a sci-fi movie. For decades, we've been fascinated by the idea of AI so advanced it feels alive. From Iron Man's Jarvis to sci-fi blockbusters, we've dreamed of having intelligent AI that can listen, think, and act like humans. Now, that dream isn't just possible, it's real. AI humans are here, and they're unlike anything the world has ever seen. Your AI human isn't just a tool, it's a lifelike extension of yourself. It listens, understands, and reacts as if you were there, talking to your audience in real time. Get human AI now and start creating, cloning, and streaming real-time AI that works and connects.